You are invisible in meetings, forgotten after emails, or ignored when you ask for what you need. That invisibility costs deals, promotions, and momentum you cannot buy back. The social echo protocol fixes that by turning single interactions into repeatable social reverberations that embed your idea into other people's memory and action loops. You will leave this video with a concrete 4-step ritual that makes others notice, remember, and act on your requests within hours, not weeks. Diagnose the leak in 10 seconds. Do people fail to follow up after you send an email? Do your ideas vanish after a meeting even when you spoke up? If you answered yes, you lack an echo. An echo is a simple, predictable sequence of signals that amplifies one message across different cognitive channels, increasing memory encoding and social pressure to respond. Without an echo, your message dies in single-channel noise. The mechanism is neuroscience and social dynamics combined. Memory encoding improves when a message hits multiple modalities and repeats within a short temporal window. Dopamine spikes when novelty and social relevance align, which increases retrieval probability. Social proof and time-stamped commitments raise the social cost of inaction. The protocol combines a physiological anchor, a compressed authority message, a 3-channel echo, and a rapid reinforcement loop. Those levers create both the neural trace of memory and the social pressure to act. Install the protocol now. It has 4 steps: anchor, compress, echo, and reinforce. Each step includes a trigger, a precise action, a timer or quantity, and an observable success cue. The full run takes roughly 10 minutes for small asks and up to 20 minutes for higher stakes requests. Step 1. Anchor your state. Trigger. You are about to make an ask, deliver an idea, or post an important update. Action. Perform a 60-second physiological anchor. Stand or sit tall, inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6, lower your shoulders and say the single sentence you will deliver aloud once. The sentence must begin with "this will" and end with a measurable outcome. Timer 60 seconds. Mechanism. A short breath pattern lowers sympathetic interference and primes intent, making your voice steadier and your delivery more memorable. Success cue. Your voice feels grounded and you can state the line without filler. Do this now. Perform a 60-second physiological anchor for 60 seconds to steady your voice and clarify your single measurable outcome. Step 2. Compress your message. Trigger. Immediately after the anchor. Action. Write 1-line authority copy. Format. I propose X by Y because Z. Keep it under 12 words after the verb. Replace qualifiers with specific numbers or deadlines. This compresses complexity into a cognitive latch that is easy to repeat. Timer 2 minutes. Mechanism. Concise declaratives reduce cognitive load and increase echo fidelity across modalities. Success cue. You can say the line from memory twice without stumbling. Do this now. Write 1-line authority copy for 2 minutes to create a repeatable and memorable message. Step 3. Deploy the 3-channel social echo within 30 minutes. Trigger. After you have the compressed line. Action. Push the same 1-line message across 3 distinct channels spaced within a 30-minute window. Channel A. A live or synchronous channel where you speak the line aloud to the decision maker or group. Channel B. A timestamp system message such as email, team chat, or a project ticket with the exact 1-line copy. Channel C. A personal microstory or data point sent to one ally or stakeholder as a direct message that highlights why this matters. Each channel must carry the same compressed phrase verbatim. Timer 30 minutes for the sequence. Spend no more than 5 minutes per channel. Mechanism. Multimodal repetition within a short window strengthens encoding and creates social redundancy. Success cue. At least one channel shows an observable trace, a reply, a read receipt, or an acknowledgement from an ally. Do this now. Deploy the 1-line message across 3 channels within 30 minutes for up to 30 minutes to create multimodal repetition and social redundancy. Step 4. Reinforce and escalate within 2 hours. Trigger. After the 3-channel echo or when a deadline approaches. Action. Perform a rapid reinforcement loop. First, capture any signals of movement, replies, calendar invites, or stakeholder comments. Second, if no movement occurs, escalate with a 1-line follow-up that introduces scarcity or a clear next step. Use either a deadline or a tiny default action. Example: no reply by 5 o'clock means we will proceed with option B on Monday. Post this follow-up in the original timestamp channel and notify one ally with a 1-sentence briefing and a request to amplify if needed. Timer 2 hours total evaluation. Follow-up takes 2 minutes. Mechanism. Scarcity plus social amplification raises the cost of inaction and leverages other people as multipliers. Success cue. You receive either a reply, a scheduled action, or a visible default activation. Do this now. Run a rapid reinforcement loop for up to 2 hours to escalate non-response into a decision or default action. 2 stress scenarios and survival rules. Scenario 1, the group resists your idea publicly. Rule: acknowledge one objection with a 30-second concession, then restate your compressed line and the measurable outcome. That small concession reduces resistance and signals competence without losing authority. Scenario 2, you worry the echo will appear manipulative. Rule: keep transparency. Always include a clear benefit line that states who gains and how. Transparency converts leverage into trust and reduces reputational risk while maintaining pressure. Measurement and feedback. Use a compact weekly scorecard. Metric 1, echo runs. Count full protocol runs. Metric 2, response rate. Percent of runs that produce a measurable response within 24 hours. Metric 3, decision acceleration. Average time from ask to decision compared to baseline. Track these metrics daily and compute weekly. Targets for week 1. Run at least 15 echoes, achieve a response rate above 60%, and reduce decision time by 30%. These metrics are observable and repeatable and provide direct evidence of increased social activation. Maintenance and scale. For quick asks, use a compressed micro-echo sequence. Do a 30-second anchor, craft a 10-word compress, deploy across 2 channels in 15 minutes, and perform a 1-hour reinforcement check. For project-level influence, schedule a daily echo block on your calendar where you synchronize stakeholder updates using the 3-channel pattern. Habit forms when you run 20 full echoes across different contexts. Over time, your network internalizes your cadence and begins to self-amplify your messages. Why this produces action? The protocol aligns memory encoding with social pressure. Multimodal repetition creates stronger neural traces. Time-stamped commitments create reputational cost for non-action. Ally amplification multiplies reach and converts private indecision into public momentum. Combined, these levers convert passive listeners into active responders. A quick operational checklist. Before you ask, 1. Anchor your state for 60 seconds. 2. Write a 1-line authority compress in 2 minutes. 3. Echo the line across 3 channels within 30 minutes. And 4. Run a 2-hour reinforcement loop to convert silence into decision. Each run ends with an observable cue, a reply, a time-stamped task, or a scheduled action. Micro-assignments recap. Do this now. Perform a 60-second physiological anchor for 60 seconds to steady your voice and clarify your single measurable outcome. Do this now. Write 1-line authority copy for 2 minutes to create a repeatable and memorable message. Do this now. Deploy the 1-line message across 3 channels within 30 minutes for up to 30 minutes to create multimodal repetition and social redundancy. Do this now. Run a rapid reinforcement loop for up to 2 hours to escalate non-response into a decision or default action. 7-day challenge. For the next 7 workdays, run the social echo protocol on every high-value ask or key idea. Each evening, log echo runs, response rate, and decision acceleration. After 7 days, compare to your baseline week. If response rate improves and decisions accelerate, increase deployment frequency and apply the protocol to larger initiatives. If results lag, tighten wording in your compress and increase ally amplification. Final strategic paragraph. Visibility is not luck. It is a designed social process you can deploy on demand. The social echo protocol gives you a repeatable method that combines neuroscience and social economics into predictable influence. Use it and you will stop being ignored, start getting replies, and turn small asks into fast actions that compound into career and business wins. Subscribe to Success Code to collect more deployable protocols that convert scientific insight into measurable advantage. Each video is another tool you can apply tomorrow to make your voice echo and your results follow.